So I got all the Whipple stuff sorted out. Beefcake was quick with that answer for me. So my kit is correct. They are going to be replacing the 4.0 pulley with the correct 4.0 pulley. So I thought I would give you guys kind of a tear down what's in the box and actually show all the components for each little box that comes with it, so you guys will see, and then go from there. So I guess we'll start. First component you're going to get is your belt. Obviously, like I said, I'm not going to be using this belt because I ordered the alternator 10 rib kit as well. The other thing you'll get is your pulley. Now, obviously, this is not the correct pulley, so but I did order a 4.0 pulley. Some of you guys are asking why I did that. I did the 10 rib pulley, the 4.0. I want to see. I'm hoping that that only makes 10 pounds of boost at most, but I'm not sure how much boost that's going to make. So we'll find out. I plan to send this off to HPJ once this is all installed. I'm putting it on their dyno, send the log to Lund, see how everything looks. But that's further on down the road. So hopefully this only makes 8-9 pounds of boost. I'll actually be pretty happy with that. But Whipple site says this makes 15 pounds, so we'll find out. And I do have other solutions for that anyway. When I get to that part, I'll let you guys know about it. But I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to open up the other boxes and show you what's in each box and then kind of go over that. All right. A few moments pass. I had to open the box up, get everything out. This is the parts for the alternator. Comes with pulleys. This is, I guess, the tensioner, or the piece that holds up the tensioner. This is the alternator piece. Again, I will not be using this piece of the kit because I did order a alternator relocation bracket. So, but this is all the hardware for it. Also, this is 2018 Mustang on the box. I found out kits 11 through 21 are all the same, so they are all identical. But yeah, so I get to the next part of the box. All right, got the next box here. So this is actually the tensioner for the piece. I can tell you from the 6 rib kit to the 10 rib kit, this is a totally different piece. It is a lot heavier and a lot nicer. Let me go show you what this thing looks like. So this is the piece here. It does come with its own bolts and nuts. Let me grab the other one. Just kind of give you an idea of the difference. So this is the 6 rib kit. This is what comes with the 6 rib kit. Granted, there's a pulley that goes on there, but you can see side by sides. Don't care about the pulley, but it is way bigger. Also, the numbers on here is a lot different. This one only comes up to a 70. Obviously. Yeah, so there you go. That's really the difference there between these two. So I think from looking at the kit, this replaces everything that would have come with the 6 rib kit and replaces that. So I probably will either have this kit set aside, if someone needed it, I could sell it. My other thought is another thing I do instead of doing cams is do the 3/8 Whipple, pull this Whipple off, and then I'll have a Whipple for sale. This isn't happening right away, but I would have a 6 rib Whipple for sale because I could get rid of my 3.0, go to a 3/8, and then I would need to buy a throttle body for it. I could probably upgrade my throttle to a 150 and upgrade the cold air intake, and then have that for sale with the kit as well. So I could probably recoup my money and sell that as well. But anyway, so yeah, so when you open to this box here, like I said, this holds this. This is actually in another box. This is in a bigger box. Once I get to that box, I'll show you guys, but I'm going to stop it from here. All right, so got another box out. It took me a few moments to get everything laid out, but I'll show you guys kind of what this looks like. So again, this piece is actually bigger than the original. It does come with the 10 rib, some idlers, bags of stuff. So, like I said, once again, this is definitely a complete kit. It's not like I'll have to piece anything together. Because of the same pieces, I think these are actually, I don't know if they're the same size or not, but because that this kit does come with an ARP stud. Let me put this right here. So if you do buy this kit, it does come with this. I'm not using this. I have a crank bolt kit. So There's the box. So I actually bought, let me show you kind of where it is. It's not here somewhere. Here it is. So I actually bought this guy for mine. So everyone was swearing by it. So I bought this. So hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, this is a lot of my new components and hardware in there. So there you guys go. I'll take you back over here. So yeah, so this bracket comes with this and then 2 idler pulleys. That one comes with 3, so I don't necessarily understand why. These are the 2 for the alternator, so I guess it routes you a little differently. So that's that. So I will continue on, but yeah, so this is what this kit looks like so far. I'll stop this, pause this for a minute, and I'll open the next box. So this is the pulley. I said I'm not really impressed with how this looks. I thought these would have actually been drilled out or cut out, but I guess for strength they didn't. This might be kind of cool actually painted if you were able to paint the inside of this to kind of make this look out differently, but I'm not sure if it goes this sort of way or if it goes this way. I guess we'll find out when I put this on. I'm just not sure the direction this goes, but I'll figure that out. But yeah, this is the water pump pulley, so that's what you got. There's no label on this box, so it's just by itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's one more piece of this, I think. I'll show you guys that in a moment. So this is the 20%. So the nice thing about this particular piece is this cover here, this cover right here actually comes off. You don't need to do the whole thing. This is a piece here in the middle is actually a separate piece. There's another piece behind there. So you could go 20 to a 10 to a stock size or back and forth without having to pull the whole crank. All you got to do is basically remove the bolts around it and it pops right out. So that's what I plan to do. I did get hold of ATI to buy just that piece, which when I pull it out of the box, I'll show you guys what I mean. This is $300. So if you wanted to have the normal standard on your pump gas for like your winter or your long cruises, you know, whatever. And then when you're wanting to party on the 20%, you can just swap these two back in and out. I haven't seen any videos of people doing that, but I plan to do that because I'm the one I know of right now that's doing it, but I'm pretty sure there are others that are doing it. So let's open the box and see what we get. Obviously we have paperwork and some thank yous. Let's see. All right, so this is obviously the back ring. I think everything, this is what runs the what do you call that, your AC. So this is the back piece. So this would be your, oh, it's a little heavy, kind of a little dirty, but I guess it's fine. This is going to be your piece that connects to the crank itself. Definitely heavy. Not as clean as I thought it would be. There's a lot of gunk around it, but I guess that's fine. I'm guessing that's normal. I guess it's well greased up. It does come with bolts, so they have Loctite and everything ready to go. So that's kind of good. Looks like ARP hardware. So this is kind of what everyone wants to see. So this is what I was talking. Ooh, this piece is heavy. So this is what I was talking about. This piece here comes right off. So you can take this piece right off. So basically you just pop the belt off, and you just remove the pieces around here, which is going to be the 3 bolts here, the 3 bolts here, 3 bolts here, and then you can pull this piece right off, and you don't have to remove any of this other hardware, just this piece. So that's kind of what I got for you guys. I'll go ahead and straighten this out a little bit so I can take a bigger picture with everything out, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'll pause this video for now. So yep, piece here, this here, and this here. I think this goes kind of like this. I think this goes here. I think this goes like this. There's supposed to be a certain way you put this in here. There's supposed to be a dot somewhere. There's a dot. There's supposed to be a dot here. So I think this goes, yeah, like that. think this piece goes in the back like such. So I think that's right. Yeah. So literally, if you were to take this thing apart, flip this thing back around. Sorry guys, no video for a moment. All you need to do is unzip these bolts right here, and then this just comes right up. Obviously there's a little bit of work with it, but you know what I mean. So it does pull right out. So that's all you'd have to do. Any questions, let me know. But yeah, that's where we are. Damn, this thing is fucking stuck. All right guys, so I'm gonna pull that out. See you guys later. Took a moment or two, but yeah, it does pop back out. So yeah, so that's the way it kind of goes. You can see the piece there is a little dirty, but I mean, it's brand new from them, so I guess we're good. So yeah, so there we go. Any questions, let me know. And like I said, I will probably get this as soon as I get the timing covers back to this thing. So there we are, guys. So that completes the unboxing. After I got everything situated with Beefcake, they did come through. They're sending me the new correct 404 bolt pulley for this. And they are overnighting or whatever they're going to do. They'll give me an RMA label. But the rest of the kit is good to go. So that's all I was going to go ahead and show you guys an unboxing and go from there. So any questions, let me know. See you guys on the flip side. Thanks. See ya.